In this tutorial, we will talk about how to download JDK, JRE, and Eclipse. For downloading JDK, which is one of the most important things before learning Java, we will go to Google, write download JDK, click on the first link, and then you will have these two options. Don't click on this thing, okay? Just click on this link, download it, and install it. Installation will take a little bit of time, and when you're installing it, it will give you recommended options. So just go with it. Click next, 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 finish. It will take a bit of time installing the JDK on your computer, and when you finish the installation, everything is done. All right, you don't have to do anything else. The reason of not installing in NetBeans is that I want you people learn Java in a very good way. You understand all the core concepts of Java, okay? So if you download NetBeans, there's no problem. But the only problem is that when you are working in the future in an office or in an university that will compel you to use any other editor, which will not give you any suggestions, and you are using and during these tutorials or during other time you are using NetBeans, and that was giving you suggestions during you writing Java code, so that will give you a lot of problems, okay? Because in that editor which your university, for example, compel you to use, will not give you any suggestions, so that you will have problem in writing Java code. So I would highly recommend not to download for the moment NetBeans. Okay, later you can download when you learn Java, but for the moment, don't download NetBeans. Now after JDK, another thing we need to download is JRE. So for downloading JRE, go to Google, okay, and write download JRE. Click on the first link. You will have again two options. Click on the first one if you want, or click on the second one, but I recommend you click on the first one because I've already downloaded it. So click on the first one. Okay, then you will select between these, but if you have Windows, so you have to select between these two. So if you have 32-bit, so download this one. If you have 64 bits, download this one. And before that, you have to accept the license agreement. Okay, once you download, install, and that's it. It's finished. Okay, now the most important thing which we need to write Java code is Eclipse. So for downloading Eclipse, go back to Google again and write download Eclipse. Click on first link and you will get over here. Click on this button and it will download you the installer for the Eclipse. Okay, you will have this one because it's the latest version of Eclipse at the moment. So you will download get Eclipse Neon, which I also have in my computer. If you have 32-bit again, okay, 32-bit Windows again, all right. So go back to Google, download Eclipse 32-bit. Click on the first link, okay, and here you will find the links for downloading 32-bit Eclipse IDE, all right. Once you download Eclipse IDE, go and click on the installer. You will find this thing. The most important thing is you have to download only Eclipse IDE for Java developers. Okay, we are learning pure Java code, so we will not need any Java E developers or any of these below. Okay, we will need only Eclipse IDE for Java developers, and you have to download this. Okay, click on it. First search for JRE and JDK. Once it finds the JDK and JRE, if it asks you, so go to the tell them to and go to the browse the folder where you have download JDK, so and JRE. Okay, locate the JDK and JRE for the Eclipse if it doesn't get the JDK and JRE. Okay, once it get the JDK and JRE, it will continue its installation. Once the installation is finished, launch the Eclipse IDE, and then it will give you an it's not a warning, but it's going to give you a selection. Okay, it will ask you for workspace where all of your Java code, Java classes will be saved. So the workspace it gives you, okay, just click OK, and it will open you the IDE interface. Okay, just check it if everything is working, and then close it. Now in the next tutorial, we will talk about concepts and Java code. So from there, we will start learning all the basic concepts and all the important concepts, okay, and all other concepts that people will use sometimes, most of the times, but I will also explain all those concepts as well. And also during explaining the concepts, I will also tell you how to write Java code, and I will show you how to write Java code, okay. So this was for this tutorial. Thank you very much for watching the tutorial. Like, comment, and subscribe, and share the tutorial so any other person or any other people that have problem in learning not tutorial but Java, so they can follow my tutorials and can get help and can understand Java. Okay. Thank you very much again. Have a good day, and entertainment to all.